Today I'm going to show you how you can make money in iterative revenue using AI to write content and repurpose it. So I have this website here, which is substack.com. And as you can see, an estimate stat, if you have only 50 subscribers and you charge them $5 a month for your subscription, you can get around $200 per month. But what if the subscriber count goes up to only 800 subscribers? This increased to a whooping $3,244 per month. And what if we charge more per subscription? So let's say $10 a month is going to generate us around $6,728 per month, which is really mind-blowing. And all you need to do is you need to repurpose content using ChatGPT and make it AI free. And that's not all. You're getting paid directly by your subscribers. There's no third-party involvement and you have true independence. You can write your content however you want and wherever you want. And I personally think that there is no platform better than this if you want to earn. And one last thing before we dive into it, as you can see, writers keep 90% of their revenue minus the credit card fees. So this means you're practically getting all of it. And by far, I'm not saying this is the only platform. There's ghost.org where you can have your own premium tiers and you can write and earn. There is constant content where you can make money through two different ways. One is selling pre-written articles or get custom content requests from clients. And there is even Kindle Direct Publishing for writers. But today we're going to explore Subtask and see how we can write our first article. And stick around. I'm going to share my 5 secret phrases that I use in my prompts to actually get good quality content written using AI. So without further chatter, let's dive right into it. I have created this new account where I'm going to guide you how you're going to write your first post. And as you can see, I have only 1 subscriber at the moment. And once my subscribers increase, I'm going to get some revenue out of that. So let's go and start our first post. So I'm going to go and click here, write your first post. Now this is how your editor is going to look like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask to write an AI generated article about a tech topic, which is DeepSeek V3 that just got released. Once you have your AI generated article, the next step is to go back to the editor. And this is actually the outline. So I'm just going to go and grab this outline, all of it. I'm going to copy it. And here comes my first secret prompt or phrase that I use in my prompts. So I'm just going to go and paste in the outline. And I'm going to say adapt this style for the above article. Now, adapt is a keyword which actually helps you to adapt any writing style, whether it's a formal writing style, an academic writing style, or if it's a casual conversation. So you can adapt and reshape your AI generated content, which is right here. So I'm just going to go and do that. And there you go. As you can see, the outline has been adapted in our AI generated content. As you can see right here, we just don't have this image, which we'll be creating using DALL-E, which is powered by ChatGPT, or you can use any image that you want. But for now, I think this is pretty good. And I can just go and start editing this. As for the title and subtitle, I'm going to say this is about DeepSeek. So I'm just going to say DeepSeek V3 just launched. That's it. As for the subtitle, it's your own choice, but I'm going to say a change is coming. So let's go and add our content. For that, let's go back to our ChatGPT and I'm just going to go and copy everything. Come back here and just paste that. There you go. Everything is formatted for you. You don't need to do much. Let's just remove this. That's it. I think everything is really good. This is really good. We also have these separators and we have all the headings and the format. What I can do is I can add an image here. So for that, let's go back to ChatGPT. And what I'm going to say is create a realistic, simple image for this. Although I usually prefer that I use image from the original source of the tool and then give them credit in the caption. But for this video, I'm going to do everything AI. So let's go and download this. And I'm just going to go and drag and drop that right here. As you can see, so we have the image uploaded right away. So I really love the editor. It is really cool. We have the image. Now it's looking cool. And we have the whole article written for us. But what if I tell you I have more secret ingredients through which you can enhance? So for that, let's go back to our ChatGPT. And the second ingredient or prompt phrase that I use for my content is going to be rephrase. And why I do that is because ChatGPT sometimes searches the web and you don't want to have copyright claims on your content, right? So I'm just going to go and rephrase everything to make sure there's no original content from anyone on the web. So what I'm going to say is rephrase the above article, but keep the outline the same. That's it. Let's go and check out the results. Now, this is pretty much all you need to do, but I have another check, which is my third secret recipe, which is to humanize this article. So I'm just going to go and say humanize the above article, and that's it. Let's go and hit enter, and this is going to humanize this article for us. Now, there are 2 more secret recipes that I use if I want to expand anything, Let's say I'm going through any bullet point and I want to have a separate section on that bullet point. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and copy that bullet point and I'm going to ask it to expand it. And just in a while, I'm going to show you the use case for this. So now that I have everything humanized, my fourth step is to actually get a summary of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say simplify the above article. Now this simplify phrase in this prompt is really powerful and I've been using this for ages now and it really helps. What it can do is it can simplify any technical aspects or non-technical aspects for anyone and any age group. So let's go and hit enter and this will simplify the above article for you. Now either you can use this simplified version for your article if you want to have more audience scope, or you can go with the above article. It's really up to you. And the last secret prompt that is truly powerful is going to be expand. And how you're going to use that is you're going to go and extract any bullet point. You're going to copy that and you're going to say expand this. And you're going to paste that inside a quotation mark. And it's going to go and expand that with the context that you have already in the article. As you can see right here, we have that bullet point expanded into a full-length paragraph for us. So this means that if we want to make it a more comprehensive article, we can expand all of these bullet points and get it a more comprehensive article. So what if I say rewrite, but not just rewrite? I'm going to say rewrite the above article, but expand all the bullet points and make it comprehensive. There you go. This is how powerful you can get with AI. You can write anything. If you know these 5 phrases, you can just mix and match them and create amazing content for your websites or websites like Subtask. As you can see, now we have a comprehensive approach for the article, which is really mind-blowing. So I'm just going to go with this comprehensive output. So once you have your comprehensive and final output, let's just copy that. We're going to go back here and I'm going to go and paste that right here. Let's select everything and I'm going to paste. There you go. So now we have that comprehensive article for us. I'm just going to go and paste in some images here. So let's say right here, I'm going to paste one image. So I'm going to go back and there you go. You have your image ready for you. And that's not all. You can add images for all these sections and you can even go and insert audios here. You can go and insert videos, images, and even links. You can even add buttons. You can add more stuff like dividers, code blocks, financial chart, and much more. But I'm going to leave that aside right now because the focus of this video is how you can use AI and different prompt techniques to generate AI content and then convert that into a humanized content and actually earn money through that. So we have this draft and it will be saved on its own every time. So let's go and actually preview this. So on a mobile phone, it should look something like this, which is really cool. And I love this feature about Subtask that you can see how it's going to look on a mobile phone. On the desktop, it's going to look something like this. There you go. And this is for free subscribers. If you go to paid subscribers, they're going to have a different look to it. They're not going to see the call to action button, which is to subscribe and get more content because they have access to everything and they get this subscribed already. So I think this is pretty cool. So let's go and actually hit continue. And now what you need to do is you need to publish this, whether it's for everyone or it's for paid users, or if you want to allow comments for everyone or no one. It's really up to you. So I'm just going to go with the default settings and I can add tags here like LLM, there's DeepSeek, AI, and much more. So you can add these tags. This way you can enhance the SEO for your content. And let's go and actually publish this. And it's going to be sent to everyone in your subscribers list. This is basically like a newsletter and also a blog post. And you have it ready. Now you can go and copy the link or share this on different platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Notes, and LinkedIn. It's really up to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and copy this link for later on marketing. And let's go back to home. And I'm really surprised that we have 2 subscribers now, which is really great. Let's go and click here. This is my recent post and we can see all the analytics about this. So once I share this in different platforms and I do some social media marketing, this should generate some revenue. And I will be creating a follow-up video on this after a month to show you guys how much I earned using this. So with that said, I want to wrap this video up. I hope this video was helpful for all of you out there who are good at writing but don't know where to sell your services and how to earn using writing. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Ring that notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in our next video. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.